to really appreciate the Quran, you have to look at the fact that the Quran is a healing, as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, shifa. And those who study the Quran, they do tadabbur on the Quran, they know the difference between shifa and ilaj. So shifa is healing. Allah calls it healing. He didn't call it ilaj, because medicine, ilaj, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. Sometimes it will heal something, but it will give you many other side effects. But as for the Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala calls it shifa, healing for sure. Healing to the individual. Whatever feelings they have, whatever struggles they're going through, they will always find solutions in the Quran. If you have been married for so many years and you don't have kids, you can always relate to the story of Zakaria and the story of Ibrahim alayhi as-salam. If you have been mistreated by family members, you can relate to the story of Yusuf alayhi salam. If you have been received with injustice, even though you care about your own people, you give nasiha to the people, but they don't appreciate you, you can always relate to the story of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Musa alayhi salam, and Yusuf alayhi salam. The stories we mentioned at the beginning. You can relate to the Quran as a family, as a society, as a country. You will always find solutions to all the problems that peoples and families and societies have. Whether we're talking about the economy, politics, social life, and so on and so forth. If you want to learn about politics and political corruption and propaganda techniques, read the story of Musa and Fir'aun. If you want to learn about family dynamics, siblings rivalry, social aspects of life, read the story of Yusuf alayhi salam. If you want to learn about financial corruption, read the story of Shu'aib alayhi salam. If you want to learn about morality in society and so on and so forth, you can read the story of Lut alayhi salam. Like, there are so many things, and all these prophets, the 25 of them, among themselves, they cover every aspect of our life that we need to live a life of dignity in this world. And I hope this will give a flavor to our viewers on the importance and the significance of the Quran. The Quran is a book of healing. The Quran gives you meaning and purpose in life. The Quran will solve all your problems. The Quran will give you a map. Just like you're lost in the desert and you find a map that shows you where you can eat, where you can survive, what to do and what not to do. Look at the Quran this way. When you look at the Quran, the next time, inshallah, think about the manufacturer's manual that comes with your phone or with your laptop or with your car. It tells you how to maximize the benefit from this product. If like Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He created us and He sent us this manual on how to live our life the proper way, a life of dignity and a life of respect. So He says, this is good for you, do it. This is bad for you, avoid it. So I think once you look at the Quran this way, you will appreciate the Quran even more, inshallah.